What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a walkthrough of my brand new Nitro Z18 bass boat. Alright, so let's start at the front of the boat here. First off, you got the trolling motor, which is the Minn Kota Ultrex. It's got like spot lock and all the other fancy little technologies. And for live scope, we got LVS 32. I'm probably gonna look into upgrading that to 34 down the line and maybe add on a 12-inch graph. And then we have the Mega 360 from Humminbird. That's a really cool. I need to watch a video on how to use that, but I mean, it looks insane. I've tested it out a few times. All right, this is also the front of the boat. We got the recessed foot pedal tray. That really comes in handy. You don't gotta like stand unevenly on your feet all day. Then we got a Humminbird 9-inch graph, and then we got a Garmin 9-inch graph for my live scope, and then the 360's on here. Then at the front, you got like the anchor light switch, and then trim up and down for the motor. And the graphs are on these like really sick like dual graph mount things. It makes these graphs look sick. Like they're just even, and just it looks so cool. And Troller's got like a little cable guard on it. That's nice. It doesn't look all crappy and tangled mess. These Nitro decks are like super wide. Like this deck is like maybe 7 foot wide. It's got 2 rod lockers and then a middle storage, and you got a cooler under here, so let's get right into that. All right, so we got the left rod locker. This is where I usually keep all my stuff. I need to take some of that and re-rig and put some line on it, but I mean, you can fit like 30 rods in here probably. It goes way back under there. But yeah, just got a few of my rods in here right now. Close that back up. In the middle here, we got some more storage. Gotta unlock that real quick. This is the center storage compartment. I added on just some tackle storage right here for some soft plastics I use a lot, so it's easy to access and stuff. You know, we got a couple over here, a couple over there. I have some like G-Juice scale and some other like, you know, boater safety license, all that stuff in there. Got some center stuff. I usually chuck like bags in there and, you know, jackets and all that. Then I got another side little storage area right there. So yeah, this center compartment's real nice. That tackle storage, I mean, I like that. That's really comes in handy. All right, then we got the other rod locker. Same size as the last one. This is where I just keep life vests. I got 3 regular ones, and I got my inflatable one. Got a light pole, and then we got fire extinguisher net, or in case everything fails, we got a GoPro stick, throwable, and a bunch of other stuff back there. And the Nitros are nice. You only have like that light pole for the back. The other ones are like built into the deck right here, so that's kind of nice. All right, so moving down to the console area, you got 2 more cup holders right there. Then I've got scissors and pliers in this one, and then I got like a giant fillet knife in there because I just had it, so I just put it in there. Then you got a big old cooler, got a trash can, got a water. I should probably take that out of there. It's probably gonna explode. Looks like a block of ice right now. Yeah, I don't want that exploding in there. Got some goggles, because I mean, this thing rips and you need them if it's raining or cold. But yeah, I mean, this cooler's nice. You can fill it up with ice and it'll be cold all day. You put lunches in there, all that stuff. Really deep too. So Nitro also has the option to add a second console for like your co-angler, but I don't have it on there because 1, it's more expensive, and 2, it makes it feel way bigger of a boat without it. And they've also got 6 little holes for your co-angler's rods. Just put them in there and slide them up the sides. Co-angler's also got a handle. You know, you got a nice seat too. Look at that, nice and comfy. And they've also got a little place for their water. You know, I've got some little LED light controls here. I put some in here. I'll roll a clip of that. I mean, those things are insane. It's perfect for tournament morning. Like, you can have all these different colors. You got blue, pink. I really like the blue and the pink. But moving along here, you've also got a center little area. I'm pretty sure you can put a seat in there as well, but I don't have it in there. It's just a little gas tank access. But yeah, got a little, I think you can put a net in there. My net's too big, so I put ruler in there. You can also secure your net or whatever you put right there. It's real nice. I keep the ruler there for easy access. All right, now moving on towards the console. You know, you got all your switches and nice steering wheel. Nitro does a good job on the console area, I feel like. You know, you got all your switches. You got power, nav, dimmer. You know, you got your trim up there. Like, it kind of tells you how far you're trimmed up and stuff, which is really nice because you can, you know how far you're trimmed up and where to trim at for what speed, you know, whatnot. And you got, you know, your RPMs. And then over here, you got your miles per hour, you know, gas tank. And you got battery voltage right in there. It also came with the, I think this is a 5-inch clearance. I don't use it. I'll probably sell it and put something else in there. But then you got your Pro trim right there. That's really nice because you don't have to, you know, use that like my old boat had. Got a 12-inch Lowrance here. This thing's real nice. I've never had a 12-inch craft, but I mean, this thing's nice. If you don't know, boats can come with hot foots, and it's basically just like a gas pedal in a car. And this is just for like shifting into forward, neutral, and reverse, but you just use the gas pedal to go. But most smaller boats with like smaller engines, you just use this to, you know, do everything. All right, so you've also got, you know, another up and down trim option. This is just the shift in forward, neutral, and reverse. You got your kill switch down there. You got a little cigarette lighter. I put a little like adapter thing so I can charge my phone. And you got another little, I kind of keep my phone and keys right in here. It's nice and grippy so they don't just fly out. Got another cup holder right here. Then you got this, it opens and closes the live well. So like when you pull your boat out of the water, you can just turn that and then the water goes out. So you don't have to like stick your hand on there and pull a plug out. Then right here, you got a hot foot, and Nitro on the Z18s did a good job because like they're not too cramped. And us taller people, you know, our legs aren't sticking out. I mean, it goes way far back in there. You got a little spot for your feet too on the left there. And then over here on the right, you know, you got your aerator, recirc for live well, bilge, horn, all that. And then, you know, my 2 graphs, all that. Overall, really good job on the console from Nitro. All right, now moving on to the business end of the boat. You got 2 little openings here for the live well. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think a live well is maybe 30 gallons. I don't know, it could be more, not really sure. It's plenty though. I got my cold tags right here, you know, got recirc, all that stuff. I mean, it's a really deep live well. Also comes with the little separator you can put in, but I don't have it because I like more, you know, more space for my fish. But I mean, overall, it's really nice level, really deep. And then on each side of the back deck, you've got 2 real big storage compartments. I keep a bunch of these 2700 size tackle boxes in here. This is like a master shut-off switch for the battery, so when I'm storing it, I just turn it off to drain anything. And then these just fit real nice right in here, the 2700 size. So yeah, they're fitted with these little gray things, and these are removable too. So if you have like a buddy that has a Nitro, you just pop this out and pop it in their boat. It's real nice. You don't have to take out all your crap. Then on the other side, you got another one. I usually keep soft plastics in here and a bunch of other junk, or I'll clean it out for whoever I'm fishing with to use. But I mean, overall, this boat has a ton of space. So I mean, they can put stuff in the middle compartment or anywhere else. And then, as I said before, got my ruler back here for measuring the fish. And if I'm not mistaken, I think these little black things like intake air for the live well, keep it more aerated, which is nice. Keeps some fish alive. And then you got, you know, your cleats, which is real nice. They're they like, you know, go back down to more level of the boat, so you don't get like snagged on them, which is real nice. All right, then back here is the battery compartment. I'm running 3 of these lithium batteries, and they're real light, lets me go a little faster, you know, and they'll hold a charge all day long no matter what. Got 3 of them back there, there's 1 right there, there's 2 in the middle. And this back area has tons of storage, so I just put in the little storage bin back there. Got my onboard charger behind that, and I just put a bunch of, you know, tools, all that stuff I don't usually need. Got my rain gear back there too. So overall, I mean, I can store a bunch of crap back here. Really good job on the back of my Nitro. You can store a bunch of stuff. If y'all didn't see it before, it's a dual axle trailer, which is really nice. They ride a lot better than the singles, and I feel like they're easier to back up. But you also got a little swim ladder right here in case you want to go in the summertime. And you got your jack plate right here. I think it might be an 8-inch jack plate. I'm not sure. I don't really know my jack plates well, but you know, it's a Z-Lock jack plate. That's what it says. But we got the Mercury 150 Pro XS 4-stroke powering it. I mean, this thing's nice. I can hit 60 all day, full load, you know, full tournament load, everything, 60, no problem. If I'm by myself, light load, I can probably hit 65, but I haven't tried that yet. But you know, got the jack plate's nice. And I don't know why, but all Mercury motors have this like paint chipping off. But yeah, other than that, it's a nice motor. Just take a look at it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed having a little tour of my new bass boat. I really love this boat. I've already taken it out a few times, and it's just so fun. And I'm looking forward to this coming season when it starts back up in a few months. Hopefully we're catching some big fish, big bags. And I'm going to be filming everything, so make sure to stay tuned for all those videos. And if you're not already, make sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, make sure to drop a like. But I'll see you next time.